Hi everyone, today we are going to unbox the Glamego subscription box for the month of February. We will be seeing what the products look like this month. I will be reviewing what all I got in my box, and based on that you can decide whether you want to buy the box or not. If you do not know, Glamego is actually the most affordable Indian subscription box. It is only for 399 rupees. It is perfect for somebody who wants to stock up on new products and is open to try out new brands, new products, new hair, skin care, and obviously makeup products as well, because they do send makeup as well. And it's very affordable for college going students, somebody who isn't new into makeup, somebody who doesn't have much budget on to spend on makeup randomly. And also, if you want to save more and if you want to spend at once, you can spend like $2.99 per month and get the 6 month subscription. That will be even more economical for you. So yeah, let's get started with this month's box, shall we? So this month's box is actually very simple, very white, and it has red text on it. It has Glamego written on the top like their usual boxes, and it has all the alphabetical print all over. Now let's open it and see what we have. I'm not sure what we have this month. Like the last month's unboxing, I am doing this video without any information of what the products look like, so it's all uncertainty, but it's not surprising. Yeah, so that is why I like to do this way. So we have 4 products. Okay, we have 4 step products. Like actually the card says step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4. So it says classy flaunt, and we have 4 products. I'm quite excited to know what we have. And it says about Glamego, and there's a contest going on Glamego, that is 10,000 rupees worth of Chopper Stop voucher. Oh my god, that's amazing. So we should go with steps. So step 1 is Caffeine Choco Face Pack. Okay, we have a face pack to begin with. That is really amazing. And this is a Choco Face Pack that gives lustrous glow to your skin. I love face packs, like mask, anything that makes my skin glow, my skin tighter, my skin a little bit rejuvenated. It is no less than the aromatherapy your chocolate does. Let your face glow and glitter. You can bask in the aroma of chocolates while cocoa and caffeine do their magic. A special gel based mask is available for dry skin, and a clay based mask is available for oily skin. I hope I got the oily skin one because I'm more towards that skin most of the time. So this is the mask. Oh, I got the one for oily skin. I'm really thankful for that. So this is the Choco Caffeine Glow Face Pack. It is with argan oil and vitamin E. It's clay based. Oh my god, I love clay masks and I'm really excited to try this. This is chocolate clay. I have not tried anything like this combination before. First of all, it smells, firstly it smells like chocolates. Then we also smell something like clay. Literally it's a mixture of those, but it's very addicting. It's very calming. It is a very muddy chocolate texture. It feels like clay but has some chocolate fragrance, and it's very rich looking to me, and I'm quite excited to try this. I will let you know in my Instagram stories. If you're not following me there, please follow me and you can see my updates on this product. So now for the step 2, we have the Pollution Stop Face. It's from the brand Corona Care, and it is a strong protector from pollution. Oh my god, that is amazing. It's a spray. So let's try this. It is free from sulfate, mineral oil, paraben, fragrance and silicones. That is amazing. We have a seal, so we have to remove that. And it smells very refreshing. Massage on your face for better penetration of the protective film. Okay, it's a protective film. That is really cool. Repeat during the day if required. In that case, at first clean the face. So it can be worn under makeup or can be sprayed over makeup also. So since you can see I have my face makeup on, I shall try this because I think we need to. I liked it. It's very diffusing. So let's try on my face now. Oh my god, it's so refreshing, man. God, what is this? I never expected an Indian brand to come up with this kind of product with such a diffusing kind of spray. It's very even, it's not harsh, it does not push particles into your skin that can ruin your makeup. So that is a great product. I'm quite excited about this one, and if I like it, I'll definitely go on with the full size and I'll definitely let you guys know. Next we have step 3. We have the Radiance Cream from the Nature's Company, and this is with saffron extracts, and I think this is a deluxe size again. This is the luxurious age-defying formula that promotes natural fairness and youthful radiance by diminishing age spots and keeping fine lines at bay. So it is kind of age-defying as well. So I think this is good for like my kind of age, like mid-20s or late 20s. If you are into that age, I think this is a great cream to have. It smells like nothing, not really able to have any fragrance, because that spray which I just sprayed on my face, it's very refreshing and I can just only feel the fragrance of that spray. It's very lightweight. I'm really liking the texture because I don't like heavy creams at all. It's definitely very smoothing, but it's not very greasy, like my hand is not feeling very slippery. And last product, it's a makeup product we have from Bellavos. It's a chubby stick. It's their ultimate chubby stick. So matte chubby sticks are my favorite these days, because when your lips get dry, you have to be, you have to stay with these chubby sticks. You have to stay with your bullet lipsticks, and I think it's a great product to have makeup items, and I think it's a very beautiful shade as well. It's very red based deep pink. It will look very beautiful on like all skin tones. I don't think so it will look bad on any kind of skin tone. So we have 3 products which actually cost 1404 rupees if you're getting them individually, and I'm not sure what this product is actually costing in the market, but they say that they will send makeup of our choice from a wide range up to 900 rupees. So if you are getting even say 800 rupees worth of product, or even say 600 worth rupees of product, you are guys getting more than 2000 rupees worth of products in this box. Or guys, for 399, I think no box can beat this. So guys, this month's box is an amazing deal. I think you should grab it if you are looking for some skincare products, and obviously there is a lip product as well. So yeah guys, this was all my review and thoughts on this month's box of Glamego, and if you want to purchase this, you can get it from glamego.com. So guys, I hope you liked the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.